The final full trading week of the year 2017 is underway here at the New York Stock Exchange. And again, stocks soaring to all-time highs on hopes the U.S. tax overhaul bill will be passed this week. In fact, Congress expected to vote as early as Tuesday, tomorrow, on a plan that would cut the federal corporate tax rate to 21% from 35%. Now, passing the bill would mark a big legislative win for Republicans, who have been pushing to revamp the U.S. tax code for most of 2017. Meanwhile, on the data front here in the U.S., the NAHB Housing Market Index for December in focus and beating expectations, coming in at 74 from 69 the previous month. And over in Europe, November Eurozone consumer prices coming in 0.1%, meeting expectations and the same read from the previous month. Now, looking to the week ahead, on Tuesday, we begin in the Eurozone with German IFO business climate, and that's expected to inch up to 117.6 in December from 117.5 in November. Now on Wednesday, we turn over to the UK to start the day. Britain's Carney speaks at Parliament hearing in London. And there's also more housing data in the United States with existing home sales figures, but they're expected to rise 0.7%. Now on Thursday, things do pick up a quite bit more than just housing in the United States, but we first begin in Japan with the Bank of Japan's rate decision. And yes, Kuroda speaks at a press conference immediately after those figures are released. Over in the UK, we have consumer confidence for the month of December on the docket. That's expected to remain at a read of -12. While in the Eurozone, consumer confidence also on the docket, but here in the United States, gross domestic product GDP annualized for the third quarter, that's due and expected to come in at a read of 3.3%. And we end the week on Friday. Over in the Eurozone, we have German consumer confidence scheduled for release, while in the U.S., we have durable goods orders for the month of November. That's expected to rise 2.2%, and more housing data, new home sales, but that's expected to drop 5.1%. Switching focus now over to the Forex market, risk appetite is back with both the euro and the sterling up against the dollar to start the week. The sterling dollar at 133.83, while the euro dollar is at 117.84 and in focus as it sees further advance. While over in commodities, WTI crude oil futures inching lower, down 0.17%, 57.23 a troy ounce, while spot gold is up on risk appetite, up 0.54%. And until next time, from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICM Capital.